Hello and welcome from the page of Kitchen Melodies. Today I will show you a very unique but a bit complicated Bengali traditional dish called Chital Macher Muitha. Chital is knife fish which is basically found in the eastern part of India and Bangladesh. The fish is full of bones. The deboned flesh of this fish is used to prepare this dish. Muitha word is derived from mutho in Bengali, which means feast. So basically this preparation is making balls out of the deboned fish using our palm. We start with deboning the fish. We are using a spoon with sharp edge to scoop out the flesh as much as possible. You can see we have deboned and this is the boneless flesh of the fish. This process is little complicated and time consuming, but this is the speciality of this dish. You can see the deboned flesh is here, and we'll now start adding some masalas to this deboned flesh. I will first add some boiled potato in this fish flesh so that it gives a good bind. Now with the help of our hand we'll mix this potato and the fish flesh so that no lump is there. Now I will add some ingredients. First I will add green chili paste, ginger paste, garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, and we'll mix all this nicely. Once we get this nice mixture, we'll rub our hand with oil and we'll take some small portion of the mixture and we'll prepare some flattened balls like this. You can prepare small balls or large balls as per your choice. If you make small balls, then you don't need to cut those balls. If you prepare large balls, then you can cut them into small pieces and prepare the gravy thereafter. You can see I am showing this process like this. I have made a few large flattened balls and few small balls just to show you. Once these balls are prepared, we will put this into a saucepan or kadhai full of boiling water like this. Just as they got a good boil and they float up, we'll take them out, strain the water, and we'll cut into small pieces if the balls are big, of course. Next we will fry these cut pieces till golden color and keep them aside. We can also store them in refrigerator to cook later with the gravy or the sauce. We have fried all the muithas like this in, of course, mustard oil. We will now prepare the gravy or the sauce for the muitha. I will add bay leaves in the same oil and one dry red chili, some jeera or the cumin. When it starts splattering, I will add a cup of onion slices and we'll fry it till it becomes translucent. I will also add some potato cut into cubes, small cubes. We'll add some salt as per taste, little bit of turmeric powder, and we'll fry them nicely. Once the onion and the potatoes gets fried, I will add some masalas over here. A spoonful of ginger paste, half spoon of garlic paste, and again we'll give a good mix. Now it's time to add chopped tomatoes. I have added approximately 1 tomato over here. Some Kashmiri red chili powder for the color, and again we'll mix this nicely. Here we will add a little bit of water so that the masalas get mixed up nicely. And we'll cover it with a lid like this. We observe that the gravy is cooked nicely and oil is separated from the masalas, and the rawness of the masalas has gone. So now we'll mix this again and we'll add water as per our requirement, how much gravy we want. We'll add water like that. We'll now cover it till it gets a good boil and the potato gets boiled nicely. And now it's time to add the fried muithas. Mix this properly. And cover the mixture with a lid and let it boil. After 6 to 7 minutes, we'll check. Yeah, it's almost done. We have got a nice gravy and the potatoes and are boiled properly, cooked properly. Here we will add a spoonful of ghee or clarified butter and a spoonful of garam masala. And we'll cover it with a lid and close the flame of the gas. Our chital machir muitha is ready. It's well served with steamed rice. And if you have liked this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel to get new recipes. Till then, take care. Bye bye.